What's up guys, Meredith with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we are checking out this Aeroskin hood protector in dark smoke fitting all 2020 and newer Silverado HD 2500s. If you've noticed that the front of your hood is taking some damage and you're looking for a way to cover it up, or you just don't have any damage yet but you do want a way to prevent it from ever happening, this is going to be a great pick for you. Along with the function of protecting your hood, this is also just a great way to add a hint of black into your build to match with other black mods and break up the color if you prefer the hood deflector look and want a sporty and low profile option to do it with. The toughness and the design of this deflector will resist any damage to the very vulnerable spot on the hood right at the front where it can chip and cause problems and simply just look ugly up close. Now this will take the impact rather than the hood and will have a pretty low profile design while doing it. So unlike some other bulky choices, it's not going to stick up much, but it will be very functional, and the low profile appearance and the sharper angles of the deflector will add a sporty feel and some additional personality to this mod, which will switch it up from the standard. This is made of a composite acrylic blend, being a tough plastic and perfect for what it is, considering that this plastic is going to take those lighter impacts very well and maintain its good look over time. The dark smoke will also complement other black features while keeping a somewhat translucent appearance, unlike other fully black choices, giving that true deflector look. Now on the back, this is going to have multiple strips of 3M adhesive, which will also be fully auto grade, so this will be sturdy and will keep in place on the front even at those high speeds, so you're not going to have to worry about it. This is going to be $175 roughly, which is pretty average for a hood deflector. Most other options will be similar, considering that there's not much to these, but this one again has a little bit of a harsher body line for a sportier appearance, and it's going to add a little dimension to the hood. Now it's also going to sit pretty low to the hood and will not require any modifications, as where some may bolt in. So with those features, it's fair to say that this is going to make it a great choice for hood protection for your HD Silverado if you want a lower profile deflector with a little bit of character and a non-permanent option. Install is going to be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and should at most take about an hour or so to clean the hood, prep the hood, and install this deflector. At this point, we can head over to our shop, check out a detailed breakdown on how you can get this onto your Silverado at home. So that's going to wrap it up for my review. Let's go ahead and jump into the install.
For this install, you need a cleaning spray, microfiber towel, and the supplied alcohol pad. All right, today we're gonna be installing a hood protector on our Silverado, so let's get started. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna prep our hood by cleaning it. So we're gonna grab our cleaning spray and a microfiber and just clean the top of the hood. All right, once you have that clean, we're gonna grab our alcohol prep pad that's supplied in the kit and just clean where the hood protector will cover all the way across. All right, as you can see, I have a little bit of the red backing pulled up on all the pieces of tape. What we're gonna do is get the hood protector in position, and we can start peeling the red backing to adhere to the hood. All right, now we got in location, and start peeling the red backing off. All right, once you have the red backing all the way off, just press all the way across, make sure it's adhered to the hood properly.
So that is going to wrap it up for my review and the install of this Aeroskin hood protector in dark smoke, fitting all 2020 and newer Silverado HD 2500s, and you can find this right here on AmericanTrucks.com.